Hey guys, what's up? So I'm out here right now, and I was just wanting to get on our private motocross track today and do a little bit of stuff to it because it's kind of rough right now, really rough. So I'm out here on the skid, and I'm going to put some sawdust down and smooth a couple things out, and hopefully maybe ride for a little bit. We'll see though. So tonight I didn't really get to do too much over here. Our track is still like kind of in bad condition. We've got a big development project of houses going around on every side of the track except for this front side. So we kind of had to push some stuff back to make sure we weren't like close to the property line. We wouldn't have to get in trouble with any of that. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna try and work on the track a little bit each day, hopefully. Tonight I just kind of worked on a couple of the corners, got some of the corners bermed out real nice and stuff like that, as you guys already saw, and then I broke them in a little bit. I laid some really good lines down in them. They're like some rear brake lines, so you come in like super fast, slam the rear brake, and then roll around. It was really fun because that mixture, or that big pile I was digging from, if you saw it in the time lapse, that is like, I would say like 70% sawdust, and then the rest is dirt. So that's a really good mixture. I'm gonna try to lay down about half a foot to a foot around the entire track eventually is what I wanna do. But right now I laid some down on both those corners and they were sweet. So there's no jumps I can really hit right now because all of the jumps that we have, there's something in the way or they're not brush hogged or something. So I'm gonna be working on all that. I don't have a ton of time tonight because I'm meeting some friends to get some tacos at 5:30, and it's 4:21 right now, and I still want to go to the gym and get a quick pump in, so I'm probably going to do some legs. My upper body's even sore from like just hitting those corners really hard and stuff, like my shoulders are sore and stuff, but my legs definitely need to be hit with something because they're, you know, I haven't done legs for like a week. Actually, it's been like 2 weeks, but plans for the track coming in the next couple weeks. I'll let you guys know what I plan on doing. The track has been laid out for years, that's the thing, and it has a really good layout. It's a really tight track. It's kind of like an arena cross track that's outdoors. It's a really fun track. A lot of the jumps aren't super big. I think the biggest one we have is like a 75 footer, so that one's big. That's in the center. That one's really fun. This other one, you know, that I think about, it might be bigger. It might not be. It's probably right around 70 feet, but it shoots you really high. It's a booter. You know, I kind of want to like build up a track map and just kind of show you how this track is laid out. Maybe I'll do that somehow. I don't know how, but maybe I will. I'm gonna go to the gym now because I don't have much time to get my squats in, and then I'm gonna go get some tacos, and then I'm gonna go home because I have to work tomorrow. All right, I'll see you guys later.